Hey gingerbread and jelly beans. So right now, first of all, hope everybody is okay. Welcome to the channel. Hope everything is going alright. So yeah, back to the story. So right now, I'm planning to build a little tree house. Well, not tree house, like a little tree chair, tree house thingy. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you what's there now, and then I'm gonna show you the after. So the before and after. This is what it is. So you see that spot right there? That's where I plan to actually build a seat to just sit down and enjoy the view of the roof and whatever it is. So that's a ladder right there. I'm working with these boards. They're wet right now, so trying to assemble them. And all my tools. One of these. Yeah, so I have that tool right there, and yeah, I'm going to try my best to see if I can assemble it right there, because I need a little chill spot, and probably I can block in a tree. Who knows? But yeah, trying to do that with the little time I have right now. So I'll show you the before and after, so look out for it. Hello guys, so I started yesterday. I tried to start yesterday with the tree thingy that I'm building. I stopped because I never had an hammer, and I was using the drill, which never make any sense. I had to use nail and hammer to literally build this. So this is my little project that I'm actually doing. Let me show you guys now. So it's not really a tree house, but these are the steps. One step right there, one step right there, one step right here, going up. As you can see, I start to lay out the frames already, get a better angle for you guys. So it will be like that, right, coming across. So you have everything coming across, so I can lay down on it. Then I'm going to build like a back brace right between that one right there, so I can just be in the tree, you know, sit down and relax, or even lay down, you know. So let us climb it. So this is just a small part of it now. It's in the construction phase. So as you can see, I stretch the beams across. So all this room right here will be filled, and then I'll get to have that view of the roof and just relax in the shade and pool over there, so I can have a nice view. That's the neighbor's yard. So once completed, you guys will see me doing all of this in the tree, vlogging and stuff like that. So that's my project I'm doing. Oh, happy Easter to everyone that celebrates it. I know a lot of people don't, but you know, I have a lot of Caribbean followers here, and we do celebrate Easter. So I just want to say happy Easter, and you know, stay blessed. You know, God bless you all, and enjoy. So come when I finish or reach, this is 25%, so when I reach close to finishing there, because I need to get more board, I probably have to go buy more board or get more board. But yeah, I need to measure the board, the length across with a tape measure, just to see. But yeah, that's my little project that I'm working on right now. Later guys.